So all I need to do now, if we just zoom in on the desktop at the rear of the desk, zoom in a bit closer, a couple of holes for our trusty cam bolts. So let's get those in there. And these go in exactly the same way as all the others. The finished product. So all I need to do now is go around and tighten up my cam bolts once again. Okay, so in we go. So just getting those up firm. You can see how it just pulls the two panels together nice and flush as you do up the cam bolt. Okay. So lucky last, we just want to pop our cable concealing plugs at the back. So this is the bit that's going to go against the wall. A bit of gentle encouragement, and then finally we just need to pop our lock plugs, or these little plastic things, just need to go on all of the cam locks. As you press in the centre, you should feel it lock into place. So you just squeeze all those on where they need to go, and you're done.